These divers were struck by a natural disaster while they were busy enjoying the beauty of the ocean. The divers, clad in wetsuits and equipped with scuba gear, moved gracefully among the coral reefs, enchanted by the marine life that surrounded them. The tranquil scene was disrupted when a vibration resonated through the water. The ocean floor convulsed, causing the dust to rise, and a distant roar echoed through the water, putting the fishes in frenzy. The divers, scattered by the current, now alert and anxious, struggled to maintain their composure. Definitely a rare event to occur while deep diving.